Why is the crypto market falling? Why were our technical analysis almost spot on to the T? We'll dive into it right now. Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Let's dive right into it. I'm gonna go to an article real quick here so you guys can see first what I am talking about. So this is an explanation here as to what people are saying is the why behind the drop. Now, you know, we've been talking about this drop for weeks upon weeks now. Even when you have other influencers who gave into the FOMO and says, I think that was the bottom. I think that very much well have been the bottom. But we know that that is not the case unless we broke that level of 25.5, 25.2, 25.5, 25.2. That didn't happen. And we said if that did not happen, we were heading down. Now, let's see some fundamental things that are happening across the world. There was a lawsuit that included KuCoin that pretty much weighed in and pretty much provided a lot of fear when we talk about the crypto regulatory space. The crypto market is down today after a fallout from Silvergate's demise, a U.S. regulated lawsuit against KuCoin Exchange, which I love KuCoin. That was like one of my top 3 exchanges that I think that that I recommended to others, especially people that are close to me. Regulatory-led lawsuit against KuCoin Exchange and comments from the U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell spooked investors. So I really think that this was going to happen either way. It was really just a why the drop was going to happen, right? It wasn't a matter of if it was going to happen. It was really just a matter of when. All the technicals aligned, and we'll dive into that in a little bit, but everything aligned with a drop is coming. We saw that divergence. The divergence played out. So diving in here, interest rate hikes and the expectation of a softening economy weigh on risk assets. People started selling. That fear started coming. We look at here, people are afraid now. We saw it was neutral for weeks. It was neutral. People didn't know. Now the fear's coming when the drop came. So we're seeing that. So this article is actually pretty spot on. And crypto prices are still highly correlated to the Dow and the S&P. After Powell's speech, major U.S. indices remained lower ahead of the important March 10th jobs report. So U.S. crackdown on crypto. Crackdown on crypto spread to KuCoin. The New York Attorney General announced a lawsuit against KuCoin. The lawsuit alleges that Ether is a security trading on the exchange, which means KuCoin failed to register as a broker-dealer. We're going through the same stuff again. Like I said, this is just a reason why the drop was going to happen. The drop was going to happen either way, guys. It was going to happen either way. People are on pins and needles. It was going to happen either way. You just needed a reason for it. They just gave you a reason for it. And I bet you some of these people are buying the dip. So buy the dip, guys. Not financial advice, but buy the dip if you want. So if this field has any chance of survival or success, it's time-tested rules and laws to protect investing public. Don't have your hand in the customer's pocket using their funds for your own platform. Gary Gensler, the SEC chair, said Silvergate's bank's liquidation are expected to keep an even closer eye on the sector. Crypto prices correct after a stellar start to 2023. Now, this is a really good article you guys should take a look at. I really enjoyed reading this article. It's pretty much spot on with what's going on. But I think what's more important here is to see really the correlation with the technicals that we saw. So we saw the divergence. We saw that divergence on the stochastic here at the bottom, correlating up top. I said, look, we need to clear these 2 levels to really confirm that we're heading to 18.6. Blasted through those 2 levels, just completely destroyed it. Bam, bam, blasted through it. And now I'm not looking as crazy as people thought. Now it's like, oh, shoot, he might have been right. He might have been right. Yeah. Looking at the technicals technicals don't lie. So looking at Ethereum did the same thing, pretty much just catapulting through both of our levels that we had. So you guys can take a good look and see that we had on the charts. So what's next? That's the message I've gotten. What's next? What's next is we need to find a new level of support. Next level of support for Ethereum is 13. Around 13, I would say about 1350, give or take a couple dollars. About 1350 is the next level of support. Ultimately, I would like to see a break out of this channel, which will put us near that $1,000 territory, and after that, making a new low down. Going to the weekly time frame, we can see it a little bit better. Making a new low down would mean heading to that $682 target that I've been talking about. $682 target is really what I've been looking for. So that's what I see here. Going to Bitcoin breaking our 2 levels like I just said, and then diving into our target. Our target here is 18.6. 18.6 is the first target that I have. So going to the weekly time frame, after 18.6, I have marked here 14, just about $14,073. So we'll see. That 18.6 is a critical level of support. Critical level of support at 18.6. So we need to see what happens there. That's that next level. Like, it's a deal breaker, because if we hang around there, it could be a fake out. If we hang around there too long and it bounces, it could be an inverse head and shoulders. Pay attention to this, guys. Pay attention. This could be an inverse head and shoulders. So pay attention. The 18.6 is critical. That's the next critical level, 18.6. So pay attention to that. And I just wanted to give you guys our analysis of what we're looking at here. We're actually excited. We're excited to see this play out. We're excited to see how predictable this was, to be honest with you. I was a little concerned when we started playing around here, but after the third touch and we started pulling back, I knew we were good. So I'm excited. I think 18.6 is in play. I do think it's in play. So guys, I just wanted to spend some time with you real quick and break down that's kind of my analysis here. You guys can take a look, comment your thoughts, let me know what you think. Those are my next targets. I'm not changing them. And hope you see you soon. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.